So we're back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Watch Cabo.
A bucket list experience, and that's what led us to Watch Cabo. And they had wonderful reviews on TripAdvisor. And as you know, I've mentioned before that I'm a huge TripAdvisor.
Yeah, she does all the planning. She's a planner. Like she tells me where to go, and I'm like, boom, you got it. It was really cool though. Like when we get into the details and tell you everything about it, it's awesome. I had a better time than I thought I was going to have. Whales are cool. They're huge.
On the way there, you stop by Lover's Beach and the Arch, which is really popular in Cabo. It's a very popular tourist destination. There are a lot of people there. You can also dive at the Arch. We did not get to dive there because we were there our last day and had to fly out the next day. The Sea of Cortez is amazing with the diversity that they have there. There's a lot of big marine life that passes through there. Within 10 minutes of being on the water, we saw our first humpback whale, and it was amazing. Our captain had what they called an eagle eye and could spot things before any of the other boats out there could even see anything. So he was kind of the captain for everybody out there.
Yeah, everybody on the radio. He would radio in and they would hear his location and everybody would zoom in.
We were surprised by
orcas.
What made it extra special was the orcas are actually very rare to see there. They said that they may see them 5 times out of the whole season. So
right.
We just happened to be there one of the days that the orcas showed up.
We spent New Year's in the marina at Tesoro. Just a night, a day and a half, something like that. I mean,
great fireworks show.
Oh man, I mean, we got some pictures from the balcony too.
We planned on staying awake and spending New Year's together. Which, well, we spent it together, but our alarm clock was the fireworks. So we were awoken by the fireworks, and there were probably about 5 different hotels that had fireworks going. So we were able to enjoy that for a good 10 minutes.
Yeah, we passed out. We'd had a long week. Check out our other video.
We'll have a video on La Paz soon.
Yeah,
we
La
did
Paz.
a lot there. We spent a whole week there. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and wait for our new videos to come out.
Well, Watch Cabo, thank you so much for having us. We had a great time. Check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff below. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know the questions that you might have. Any information, we'll post it below down here so you can check it out and go follow these links. And if you have anything else to say, see you next time.